today we are going to do 2 batches back to back. We're going to time it, and we're going to use this ratio, which is approximately 80% of our soil, 10% of a higher clay content soil, and 10% of a cement mixed into it. What that equates to is a total of 40 cans, which is 4 cans of cement and clay, and then 32 cans of our soil. And then we're going to run it through the brick machine. We're going to set them down, and we're going to see how many bricks we get and how long it takes to make that number of bricks.
Ready, set, go. Go. We still have to drill down the ratio of the soil mix to make perfect blocks. But we really wanted to find out how long it usually take to make blocks, because that's something that everybody has been asking us. So this was pretty good experiment. We still have to make a good workstation lineup, mixture for mixing soils. We have a cement inside of the shipping container, so I'm going back and forth and mixing the clay rich soil, and machine is kind of situated or stationed right next to a shipping container right at this moment. We're gonna figure it out, the stationary station. Yeah, it takes time to get everything the way we want it. Sometimes it's very, very windy, and all the stuff we are doing is just caking our powder, cement, and dirt on our RV and stuff. So we want to try to make everything efficient and easy for us. And I have said this before, but I feel like I'm just not doing anything. A lot of stuff are done by Eric, because a lot of things are manual labor, which I don't mind doing it, and I can do the certain things, but a lot of things are you need more strength than that I have. Probably I have to work out like he does, but hopefully I can be a help to Eric. The tool to move the blocks from the machine to the pallet was my idea, but come to find out that really doesn't work for me. It seems like working for Eric, but I rather do it with my own hands, and that works a lot better for me. So it took about less than 20 minutes to make about 7. Well, 1 broke, but we should be able to make 7. And if we can make it, I don't know what you call it.
We can make it more efficient. I'm sure we can get it down to like 10 to 15 minutes probably.
What I'm thinking is we should have this pallet right next to the mold. And
we also have to have more spots to put the bricks too.
Yeah.
Right now we got to wait for another 30 minutes before we can do anything.
We do have these though, other.
Yeah, but we got to clear that other pallet off and pull off all the little nubs.
They look pretty strong.
They look pretty good. They look pretty strong.
They are 10% of cement, 10% of clay-rich soil. By volume. And 80% of our own native soil here. And it looks pretty solid. And this is not completely cured yet. So you have been watering, right?
I watered it a couple times.
So I think it's really promising. What do you guys think?